Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. Let me just find some good lighting. How are you all doing? I hope you're all having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whatever's going on. In case you're wondering why I'm filming without makeup, one, because why not, and secondly, because I'm getting ready. Today's video is all about weight loss. Now with the wedding season coming up, I know a lot of us want to lose weight. A little weight from the arms, little weight from the belly area, whatever it is. We've all been there, done that, probably still doing it. The thing is, while I do encourage things like dieting and exercising, all those good things, there are times when you have a function to attend in the evening, for instance, and you can't start dieting right now. If you're not already aware, there's this buzz going around in the market about instant weight loss machines. When I heard about the concept, I was so interested to know more about it, and thankfully, the good folk at TAF, which is a holistic weight loss and wellness center, they invited me over to come take a treatment and show you guys the process and the result. Let's go. I'm here at TAF to see if these weight loss machines actually work. Let's have a look. I'm here with the director of TAF and nutritionist Manisha Arora.
Hi.
So, can you tell us what services are there at TAF?
So at TAF we do customized and scientifically designed programs for weight loss and body shaping. TAF, as the name suggests, is reverse of fat. That's what we do here. We reverse your fat and make you your best version. So the programs are based on use of technology, good food, good nutrition, and therapeutic massages. So it's a very holistic program that we do here for weight loss and body shaping.
That sounds amazing. You know, the problem with me is I love wearing off-shoulder tops and sleeveless tops and blouses, but more often than not I can't wear those because of arm fat. So what do you think is the solution to that?
We have a wonderful solution for that. Let me see if I can pinch it.
Sure.
Okay, yes. Yeah. So if we can pinch it, we can definitely shrink it.
Thank God.
So we have this wonderful equipment by the name of Alma Accent Prime, which is a combination of radio frequency and ultrasound. So both of these technologies, one of them will kill the fat cells, the other will stimulate the collagen, and after your treatment is done, you'll find not only you lose fat from the arms, you will also have contoured and firm skin. And so you'll have a beautiful shape in just 40 minutes.
So what are we going to do today?
So today we are going to give you the shapely arms with Alma Accent Prime, and you'll see the magic happening.
That sounds so cool. Let's see if I can shape my arms in 40 minutes. Now I'm going to go for my body polishing treatment to get a flawless back. Let's go. Honestly, I can't believe this happened. My arm size was 29 centimeters, now it's 27 centimeters in just 20 minutes. While I do encourage things like healthy eating and dieting and exercising, sometimes when you want like a quick solution or like if there's a last minute plan that you have, this can work wonders. It's reasonable, it's effective, it doesn't pain, it doesn't burn, it has no side effects, and I would definitely give this a big thumbs up. I will leave the link to the website down below, so do make sure you check them out. If you plan a visit, let them know I sent you guys here. Stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be wedding looks and wedding makeup. I'm going to see you guys next time. Till then, bye bye.